Hello friend, welcome to Beautiful Gardening Hobby. Friends, I am going to make a series of videos about the plants which grow in summer season, and this series will consist of flowers and various vegetables. This is the first video about the plant Zinnia which grow in summer season, and it is a flowering plant. It produces very beautiful flowers, and today I am going to show you the soil preparation and also watering. If you like, then please click on the like button and please subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification and updates. Please share the video with your near and dear ones. For Zinnia, I am using normal garden soil of about 65%, and 30% I am using vermicompost. You can also use cow dung compost. Then I am using bone dust or bone meal, just of little quantity. And I have also used neem cake dust so that no insects and no worms can attack the plant and also the soil. This is neem cake dust, and it is a must product for your soil. Friends, in this series you will see many videos on the flowering and the vegetable plants, and I hope that you will see all the videos and you will definitely like all these videos. You will get all the necessary updates and also all the necessary tips and cares for these plants. For Zinnia, I am using 8-inch pot. You can also use 8 to 10-inch pot for this flowering plant. Make sure that you have a drainage hole at the bottom and just place a small stones on this hole. To make the drainage system better, I am using a small clay and I am placing this on the hole, and also I am using just river sand, just like this. It will make the drainage system better and no water will be stored on this soil. If water will be stored on the soil, then the roots will be rotten and your plant will be damaged. So you should make the drainage system just better. And then comes the preparation, then comes the placing of the soil on the pot. Just give some soil and make a layer, and then give your plant on the soil. This is the plant. I bought this plant from the local nursery and it cost me just rupees 10 per piece. You can see that the roots are well developed, very nice root development, and it will grow very well in this pot. In the later videos I will give all the updates regarding this plant. Now I am giving the soil just around this plant and giving some pressure so that all the air pockets can be removed. After placing the plant, you should keep this plant under shade for just 3 to 4 days, and then place this plant into the sunlight. If you place the plant in the sunlight from the very beginning, then your plant will be damaged. So keep this plant in the shade for just 3 to 4 days, and then place the plant in the sunlight. It is just like the little baby, that you care too much for the baby. Just like this, you care too much for this plant. This is the proper watering process for the first time. Just take some water in a pot, and then place your mud pot on this pot, and water will be spread in all places, just like this. Thank you very much.